Introducing the stunning Estate Odd Jeep, fully loaded with top-of-the-line features. From comfort amenities like air conditioning and satellite navigation, to top-notch security features like ABS and multiple airbags, this vehicle has it all. With a sleek chrome package and privacy glass, you'll turn heads wherever you go. And don't forget about the safety measures like collision avoidance braking and anti-collision system. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, service to manufacturer specification, and a comprehensive warranty, you can drive with peace of mind. Visit our website, spiritskoda.ie, or give us a call to learn more about this incredible vehicle powered by diesel and automatic transmission.